So the last 48 hours have been really stormy and not very nice weather, and it's been 24 degrees in England. But I've driven 4 hours from Spain into kind of the middle of Portugal because we wanted some sun, and we've got here, and Jess has just got out of the car and seen white flamingos.
It's great.
And yeah, it's warm. It's 23 degrees here. We're on our way to beat you, England. Time to take the jumpers off.
It is.
We accidentally stumbled upon a tiny harbour town called Redders when we took a wrong turn, and it was the most beautiful place. It was really small. It probably only had 100 residents or so. I then drove to Raz, which was a little further south, and I really chose the wrong time to go in because the tide was coming in and the waves were hitting the sandbank really hard, so it was very hard to get out. Got a Dometic fridge, which is a compressor one, which means its use of energy is more efficient than a cooler box, and it's been really good at keeping meat, milk, all sorts of things cool for us. I've also got these wooden tongs which have a magnetic spot on them, which is really great because I can just pop it up at any point on the van.
After a very stormy night at the end of the world, we've woken up and the sun is trying to break through. So we think we're going to drive to a place called Orange, which is probably not how you say it, but that's where we're going. And they've got some thermal hot springs, hot baths, which are the second biggest in Europe after the ones in Budapest in Hungary. So we're excited to go there, and even if the sun's not there, we'll be warm because the water will be.
I use Google Maps a lot to find places that I think are going to be really pretty and secluded. So using the satellite version, I just zoom in on little bays and work out if it's possible to get there. And that's how we found this tiny town in the very south of Galicia, where the locals were so surprised but happy to see that we'd discovered their secret little corner.